Super senses. Has this ever happened to you? You were eating in the playground, an eagle flew down and took away your roti. As you walked softly past a sleeping dog, its ears shot up at once. You dropped something sweet on the ground and within minutes many ants collected around it. Why does it happen? Think and tell. Animals also have different senses. They can see, hear, taste, smell and feel. Some animals can see their prey from far away. Some can hear even the faintest sound. Some animals can find their friends by their smell. The animal world is full of examples of amazing senses. How did the ant recognize a friend? An ant was going along on the ground. It saw a group of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly came back to its hole. The ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. Many years ago, a scientist did many experiments like this. He found out that as the ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell to find the way. Now, can you guess why the ants behaved like that when you blocked their path? Some male insects can recognize their females by their smell. Have you ever been troubled by mosquitoes? Just think, how do they know where you are? Mosquitoes can find you by the smell of your body. They also find you by the smell of the sole of your feet and the heat of your body. Have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? What do you think it is trying to smell? Dogs mark out their own area on the road. They can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty, latrine. Why so? Today, Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6-month-old son Deepak with her sister Sushila. Sushila also has a baby of the same age. It was funny that both the babies did potty at the same time. She happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta, scarf. Let's see. Write the name of a bird which has eyes in front of its head like in humans. Write the names of some birds which have eyes on either side of the head. What is the size of their eyes as compared to the size of their head? Most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head. Their eyes can focus on two different things at a time. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. You must have seen birds moving their neck very often. Do you know why? In most of the birds, eyes are fixed and cannot move. So birds have to turn their heads to see around. Looking with one eye or both eyes. Close your right eye or cover it with your hand. Tell your friend to stand to your right at some distance and ask him to do some action. Wave hand, shake head, etc. Could you see your friend's action without moving your neck? Now try to look at your friend's action with both your eyes open, but without moving your neck. What was the difference on looking with one or both eyes? Now toss a small ball or a coin and try to catch it. Try this with both your eyes open. Then close one eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? Imagine how it would be to have your eyes in place of your ears. What would you be able to do then, which you cannot do now? Some birds like kites, eagles, vultures can see 4 times as far as we can. These birds can see things from a distance of 8 meters, what we can see from a distance of 2 meters. Now can you guess from what distance can an eagle in the sky see a roti on the ground? Do animals see colors? Animals cannot see as many colors as we can. See how things in these pictures will be seen by some animals. It is believed that animals that are awake in the daytime can see some colors. Those animals that are awake at night can see things only in black and white colors. Say it with sounds. Just like birds and dolphins, you can also make your own language of sounds for giving messages. Remember, you have to talk to your friends with only sounds and no words. How and when will you need to give an alarm call? For example, when the teacher is coming to the classroom. Sleeping, waking. Some animals go into a long, deep sleep in certain seasons. Then they are not seen for many months. Have you noticed that during the cold season, you cannot see any lizard in the house? Where do you think they have gone?